How to add a HID card to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Apple Wallet primarily supports digital versions of payment cards, tickets, boarding passes, loyalty cards, and more. However, it does not natively support adding HID cards or other physical access control cards directly to the Apple Wallet. These cards typically use RFID or NFC technology for access control and are not directly compatible with Apple Wallet. If you want to add an HID card or similar access card to your iPhone for use with NFC, you may need to use a third-party app or service depending on whether the card's technology is compatible with iOS. Here's a general guide. Check for compatibility first. Make sure the HID card technology is compatible with NFC that iPhone uses for contactless interactions. Also, there are third-party apps available on the App Store that might allow you to emulate or close the HID card's data onto your iPhone. Contact System Administrator. If the card is related to your workplace or a specific access control system, reach out to your administrator or IT department. They might have specific procedures or guidelines for using digital versions of access cards. Remember that the specific steps might vary based on the technology used by your HID card and the policies of your organization. It's important to follow your organization's guidance and seek assistance from your IT department if needed. So this is how you can add a HID card to Apple Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.